Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution to all of you again. And today in this video we'll discuss some Java 8 Stream API interview questions. Okay, so these questions are mostly asked in the interview for coding purpose. Okay, so to check your coding capability, these questions are mostly asked in the interview. Okay, so we'll do the practical of this all the questions. I have prepared some questions around 30 questions I have prepared here. So we will do the practical of all these question one by one. Okay. So our first question is write a program to count the occurrence of each character in a string. Okay. So this question is frequently asked in the interview. Okay. So just quickly I am opening my IDE STS and here I am going to create a project. Okay. So Java project. So name is stream coding. Okay, stream coding I was 17, all these are okay. Finish. Now I am going to create a class here. Suppose coding test Java 8 coding test Java 8 stream coding test. Okay, so I need a main method also, so check it on the main method and public. Okay, all these are okay. Finish. So this is our sample class. So just create a demo. Say so. Just checking our project is running successfully or not. Hello world. Just right click and run a Java application. Okay. So we got the output hello. That means our application, our program has created successfully project. Okay. Now I am our first question is. Okay, so write a program to count the occurrence of each character in a string. So suppose there is a given string and we will do code in such a way that it will calculate how much time repeated one character. Suppose there here S is one time, T is one time in this way. Okay, so suppose there is character is string str equal to suppose any character, suppose hello. Okay, so hello, this is a character. Here H is one time, A is E is one time, and baki rest L is two time, O is three times present. Okay, so this is our input. Now we will do the coding, which will calculate the characters and its number of times it is present. So arrays dot stream, we need to convert to stream first. Arrays dot stream. Okay, then we need to split this. There is split function, split by okay, we need to split by space, so individual characters. Okay, so exactly not space actually, so we just splitting the each character of that string. Then dot collectors dot grouping by, will grouping by, there is a function dot identity. Okay, function dot identity, and it will, and also another parameter we need to pass, that is collectors dot counting. Collectors dot counting. Okay, sorry, and it will return a map. See, here it is written a map and will collect here. Now we need to we can print this collect. Okay, because we have stored the in collect variable. Okay, so now we are printing the collect here. Okay, just save it and run the application. Yes. So how much easy it is you can see. Suppose here E is one time and H is one time. Yes, and L is two time and O is three times present. Also, we can iterate this map and we can print the individual elements also. Okay. And here also function instead of function dot identity, we can also pass in this way also, like, okay. So in this way also we can iterate the element. Okay, so it will also give the same output. Yes, you can see it is also giving the same output. And here if we want to maintain the insertion order, suppose here it is print just wait, here it is printing in this way E one time H. So if we want to maintain the insertion order of H, then it will print E, L, O, how in which type it is inserted. Then we can pass another variable here, linked hash map. Okay, so linked hash map new. Okay, so now it will maintain a insertion order. Okay, so now you can see H, then E, H is one time, E is one time, L is two time, O is three times. If there is any other character will add, suppose hello www four times, five times, then it will also print it last only. Okay, double five times. That means now it is maintaining a insertion order. Okay. Okay, so our second question is, write a program to find all duplicate element from a given string. Okay, so here we have count the number of occurrences of each character. Now here this question is write a program to find all the duplicate element from a given string. So I have just commented this code. Yes. And here I have second question is find all the duplicate elements from a given string. Okay, this should be here. This is the first question. Third question number 2. Okay, so now same I have taken the string str equal to suppose hello world. So now duplicate elements, this L is duplicates, O is duplicate here. Okay, so we need to find the all the duplicate element. Same as arrays dot stream str dot split, and with, okay, we are splitting this string, then collect collectors dot grouping by, okay, function dot identity, then collectors dot counting dot counting collector dot counting dot entry set. Now we need to pass the entry set, okay, because it will filter the unique character. Entry set, then again we will stream on it. Stream dot filter will filter the element whose value is greater than 1, x greater than 1, x dot get value, okay, x dot get value, because it will fetch the value from the map greater than 1 dot, it will, I need to collect it, map dot entry get key, map dot get key, dot collect. So we'll collect it a list in list collectors dot to list, okay, and it will return a in a control to L, okay. Now it will print a list. Now I need to print this list here, okay. So here first we are just run the application. Is it working or not properly? Yes. So you can see here duplicate elements are L and O, because L is duplicate and O is duplicate. If suppose if you have added another R, that means R is also duplicate. Now just save it and run it. Yes, you can see R also giving the duplicate. And here also, if you maintain the insertion order, you can pass the linked hash map. Okay, to maintain the insertion order, you can also pass the linked order. Now it will first duplicate element is L. It will first print the L, then L, then O, then R. First O. Okay, just run it again. Okay, the first duplicate found is L, then O, then R. Okay, so in this way we can get the output, find all the duplicate element from a given string. Okay, and our third question is write a program to find first non-repeat element from a given string which is not repeated, first non-repeat element. Okay, I am also commenting this code here. First non-repeat element. So string str equal to, suppose this hello world. Now arrays dot stream str dot split dot collectors dot grouping by function dot identity. Another is linked as map. Linked as map and collector dot counting. Collectors dot it will count. Counting. Then we'll make the entry set and again we will stream on it. Entry set dot stream dot filter. In filter will pass whose value is exactly 1, not greater than 1, and here we will pass the greater than 1, but here it is should be value exactly 1. Sorry, here suppose the value is x dot get value equal to 1 dot find first. We need to find the first element dot get, then we need to print the key of that element. Okay, just save it and run it. Oh sorry, we need to say return this assign local variable string key non repeat element, first non repeat element, this one. Okay, so whatever, just print this first non repeat element. You can see the h is the first non-repeat element. Okay, here in this variable hello world, h is the first non-repeat element. H is not repeated anywhere. Okay. So our next question is write a program to find second highest number from a given array. So we need to find a second highest number from a given array. So suppose there is a int, this is the array, suppose numbers equal to so 4 3 9 8 6 7. Okay, so this is an array. Now we have to find the second highest number. Okay, so here second hash number, as you can see, 3498. Second hash is the 898. Yes. So arrays dot stream, inside stream numbers dot, we need to boxed, sorry, we need to pass the numbers here, then dot boxed. Since it is primitive type, we need to convert it object. So like boxing and unboxing, so we need to box it like in object. Boxed dot, we can sorted it, sorted, and we need to, if we will sort it, then it will print like 1 3 4. So we need to print sorted in reverse order. Okay, sorted dot skip fast dot find fast. First will be skip, and then it will print the second one. Find fast dot get. Value, we have stored it in a value variable. Now just print this value here. Okay, so this is the second lowest number actually, because we have sorted in ascending. Now we need to sort it in the descending order. So we need to pass an reverse order function here, like comparator collections. We can pass comparator dot reverse order. Okay, now it will sort in descending order, then it will skip the first one, like it will sort it in first in 9 8, and it will skip the 9 first one, and it will print the first, after skipping the 9, then it will print the first element, that is 8. Just save it and relaunch. Yes, so you can see the highest second highest element is the 8, and second lowest is the 3. And if we want to like highest, then just remove the skip, it will print the highest. Yes, 9 is the highest element, and it will low. If you want to print the lowest, then just remove this reverse order method, it will print the lowest, like 1. Okay, output is 1. Okay, this was actually question number 4. So our next question is, write a program to find longest string from a given array. Okay, I'm commenting this one. So write a program to find a longest string from a given array. Okay, so there is a, suppose there is a array of string. So string array, this is the array, and the variable is suppose str array, str array equal to, and the array is suppose Mumbai, then Goa, Pune, Chennai, BPSR. So BPSR. So this is the array of string. We need to find the longest string. Okay, so suppose it is Bhubaneswar. 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 Now we need to print the second. We need to print the longest string. So they are longest string. You can see this Bhubaneswar is the longest string actually. So arrays dot stream, and we need to pass this str array here. Dot, the method is reduce, and in reduce method we can uh, pass lambda expression. Suppose word1 w1 and w2, and we need to compare this w1 and w2. So w1 dot length greater than w2 dot length, then we'll print the w1, otherwise it will print the w2. Okay, then dot get, and we need to store it in a control 2, then L. Okay, so longest string, this one is the longest string variable we have stored. So any variable name you can take, just print it. This out longest string. Just run the application. Yes, you can say the longest string is Bhubaneswar. So if you take another, if you will remove this Bhubaneswar, then it will print the Chennai. So Chennai is the longest string now. Okay. Okay, so I'm commenting this one now. Our next question is write a program to find all elements from array who starts with 1. Okay, first we need to take an array, and we need to print the elements which all elements print with starts with 1. Okay, so there is a suppose integer array int numbers equal to 2 5 1 2 1 9 4 6 1 7 and 3 2. So this is our array. So now we need to print the elements who starts with 1. Arrays.stream, that means here 18, 17, 12, 19, these are the elements which starts with 1. Okay, so in stream we need to pass the numbers, then dot, we need to boxed first because it is primitive type, need to convert it to object type, boxed, then map. So we need to convert it into a string. So we can append a empty string here. Now it will convert string. Dot filter. After converting it string, we can filter it. Filter s dot. That is a method called s dot starts with 1. So this is the string method which starts with. Since we have converted a string, that's why you are getting this method. Otherwise, we will not get this method. Collect, then collectors dot to list. Okay. And store it in local variable in a list of string. Okay, so this is a list. Now just print this list here. Yes. Now you can see all the elements which is printed starts with 1, 119, 17, 12, 18. If we want to print which starts with 2, then if we pass here 2 here, it will print all the elements which starts with 2. Okay. There is only one element, which is 25. This one. Okay. So here we have converted, first we have converted object, then we will make it a string, then we are call the strings method that is starts with, then it will collect the list. Okay. So question number 6. Now question number, the next element is question number 7. Just comment this one. How to join a string using join method. Okay, so there is join method. We can join a string using that join method. Okay. So there is a list of suppose string, list of string and numbers equal to arrays dot as list. So these are the numbers, but we are passing as list, as string. Was 1, 4, then 6, 3, 7. Okay, so these are the created a list of string. Now we can call the join method string dot join. Now what argument will based on which will join. Okay, so there is a like comma, we can sorry, so there we are passing this, that means we are joining the elements with the based on the comma. Okay, numbers, we will passing the numbers and we will join based of the numbers. Now just store it in a string variable. Okay, so this is the result. Now just print this result. Okay, just save it and run the application. Now you can see it is joining the based on the string. Okay, yes, list of numbers as list 1, 4, 6. string dot join. Okay, so now you can see 1 4 6 3 7 all are printed now. So in this way we can join the element. So I'm commented this one. So our next question is question number 8. How to use keep and limit method? Okay. So how to use keep and limit method? Our next question. So there is a class called inStream. Okay, so inStream dot range. So we can use range or range closed. You need to import this inStream first. IntStream, it is actually IntStream. Yes, it is IntStream. Then IntStream dot. You can see here the method provides the range and range closed. Okay, so you can use any one range. We have used range closed. Then 1 and another one is suppose 10. Dot skip which you want to skip 1 and dot limit up to suppose 8. Then print dot for each system dot out print. Okay, just save it and launch it. You can see, so here we have used range closed up to 1 to 10. Then we have skipped the first one, that is we have skipped the first one. Then up to 8, that means up to 9 it will print, because we need to print the 8 element, but first one will be skipped, then 9 element will print. If we use the range, then you can see the different. What is the different here? Yes, so here is same 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we have skipped the one and the skip limit up to 8. So if we will print the 9, then it will also print up to same 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Range closed. Yes, so in range closed you can see, in case of range closed it will print the up to 10, but in case of range it is printing up to 9. So here it is printing up to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, but if we are using the range, it will printing up to the 9. Okay, so this is skip and limit method. Okay, so our next question is, so difference between map and flat map in Stream API. Okay, so what is the difference between map and flat map? So this is not actually coding questions, but we can create a map also. We can create a flat map also. So in case of map, we are finding the So here we can write in this way: map map it is used for transformation data transformation. Okay, so map is used for data transformation, but flat map it is used for transformation and flattering, both transformation as well as flattering. Okay, so it will transform data and also flattering the data. This is the flat map. Okay, so the map is like 1 to 1, and flat map is, you can say, 1 to many. It is, you can say, it is 1 to 1 mapping, 1 to 1 mapping, and it is you can say it is 1 to many mapping, 1 to many mapping. Okay, these are map and flat map. Then in case of coding, suppose there is a list of integer, suppose arrays dot as list 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and list 2. So it is initial, we are storing it in a, suppose, list 1. So list of integer, and it is a list 1. Okay, now if we will map, suppose we want to add 10 to each element, so it will print like 11 12 13 14 15 16. Then we can use in this way, list 1 dot stream dot map, and in map we need to pass the element n. We can square each number, we can add any element to, suppose we are adding 10 to each element. Okay, then dot collect in a to list, in a list collectors dot to list. Okay, now it will assigning in a, suppose, list 2. Now print the list 2. So this is list 2. Okay, you can see, and if we print the list 1, so this is list 1. Okay, so list 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 and list 2 is 1 2 3 11 12, that is 10 as 10 added to all elements. If we want to square, or suppose n into 2, so it will add multiply by 2 to each element. You can see 2 4 6 8, or you can square each number like n into n, sorry, n into n. So it will square the each number. So in this way we can use the map element. Okay, but in case of flat map, what happened? So suppose there is a list just commented this one. We should suppose list of integer list 1 equal to arrays dot as list, suppose it is 1 2. Okay, so in this way there is another list, suppose 3 4, and suppose another list it is 5 6. So this is list 2 and this is list 3. Now if we want to implement flat map here, so we need to first create a final list from this. We need to merge this list. So suppose list of integer final list of integer final list equal to, we need to pass this list 1 list 2 and list 3. So arrays dot as list we need to pass that list 1 list 2 and list 3, and here so here it will returning a final list 1 list 2 and list 3. List 1 list 2 list here is as list is getting a final list. List 1 here, list 2 here, and this is list 3. Change type final list to list of integer. Okay, sorry. So that means we need to create the list of integer here, because it is a list of integer. Yes. Now we need to implement the flat map over the final list. So final list dot stream dot flat map. We need to use the flat map and we need to pass that final list here. Suppose x, then x we need to x dot stream. Okay, then we need to collect to a list, collectors dot to list, and it should be stored in a list of final variable. Okay, so this is the, we can see this is the result, and we need to print this result now. Okay, so this is our final result. So just save it and launch the application. Yes, so you can see we have given the input as 1 2 3 4 5 6 and use the list 1 list 2 list 3, and it is printing the 1 2 3 4 5 6 as a flattering. So that means our flat map is, it is used for transformation as well as flattering, that is 1 to many mapping it is called. Okay, so this is question 9. So our next question was write a program to print sum of all numbers. Okay, so I'm just commented this code. So write a program to print sum of all number. That means we need to take a list of number first, then we need to create sum of it. So a list of integer list equal to So you can use new array list or arrays dot as list. Anyone you can use arrays dot as list, and you need to pass the list of element. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the list of elements. Now we need to sum all the numbers, then we need to print the sum. So list dot stream dot, so there is a method called reduce. Okay, so we can use this reduce method to make this sum. So you can pass the parameters like a comma b. So this is the any variable you can take, a b, or like xy you can take, and a plus b, any variable you can take. That means we are fetching two value a b and we'll adding it. Okay, just store it in a local variable. So this is optional. So now suppose this is our reduce. Okay, so our final sum is reduce dot get. Okay, so now store it in a integer variable, integer sum equal to reduce dot get. Now just print this sum. Just save it and launch the application. Yes, so you can see our sum is 35. If you have added another element, suppose 1 here, then you can see the sum is 36. Okay, that means our sum is calculating properly. Okay, so this was question 10. Okay. Okay, so thank you guys this much in this video tutorial. So we have discussed around 10 questions here. Up to question number 10 we have completed, and the remaining are there are total 31 questions I have prepared. So the remaining 20 questions I have prepared another video. Otherwise this video will be too long. Okay, so I will prepare another video, and I will also post after this video. So thank you guys, and if you think that if you have got some knowledge or idea from this video, please like and share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel, by which I can get motivated and I can make more and more video for you. Okay, so thank you guys.